The psychology of small wins. Basically what happened is, when I had faced a lot of difficulties in my life and I failed a lot of big fails, in which it's very difficult to pick yourself up after failing very big in life. That's when I realized it's not important for you to win a big goal. Rather, it is very important for you to understand that how small wins can really transform your life on a bigger level. The psychology of small wins comes from the idea of the illusion of failure. Basically what is happening in our mind is, when we are making big goals and we are not able to achieve them, you have created a perception of failure in your mind. Your mind has a data of a lot of failures in it, and then whatever you start, you have portrayed a story in your mind. Your mind starts thinking that no, I'm a failure, I can't do this, I can't do that, I will not be able to achieve this task. To avoid this and to end this cycle of illusion of failure, you need to understand the dopamine system. Now the dopamine system is a very interesting, it's a very interesting chemical which is there in your mind. You have to understand it. It is the system which works on the reward system basis, right? The mind has its own reward system, and this reward system has a capability to reward you in a certain way that you feel better when you do things, which is like a motivation, a self-motivation, inner motivation in you to achieve better and better. 3-step formula of how you can actually reverse this process, and then after reversing is how can you use this dopamine system to actually work for you, not against you. So the first thing that you have to do in order to make this system work for you, the dopamine system work for you, like you have to make a bigger goal, divide it into small goals, right, which you can do every day. Now for example, you planned, yaar main to body banaunga, I'll make good physique, right, and you started planning it will take like 2-3 years. When you have planned that, you saw your goal will take 3 years, but you need the mental fuel to do that every day. From where you will get that mental fuel? You will get it from your own reward system, right? And that is dopamine. Every day, you might say, like 50 minutes of exercise, and that's it. That is the whole crux of the small win. You have divided the bigger goal into small bits and pieces of everyday activity. The second step is, you have to complete this task. You have to make sure that you do these 50 minutes every day. When you achieve this task right here, now the dopamine system has a data that you have done this successfully, so the failure illusion will go. Now what will come is, you became successful doing this, and this reward system will put back more energy in you, so that you not only will work for 50 minutes, you will be able to do 60 minutes of workout, more motivating, more energy, with more enthusiasm than you were doing earlier. When we are talking about small wins, you need to understand that it's very important to celebrate it. I'm not saying go on a party or do something else. Just celebrate at the mental level. Just appreciate yourself for completing this task right here, right? So your dopamine system, self-appraisal, self-doubt, ये सारा कुछ चला जाएगा, and then what will happen is, you will have a mental positive energy within your system, and that mental energy will work not only for you to achieve that goal, but a sense of satisfaction within yourself कि यार नहीं, I am worth it. Because lot of the times मुझे भी ऐसा लगता था यार कि मतलब मैं बहुत बड़ा क्यों नहीं फोड़ रहा हूँ, like why I am not able to achieve bigger and bigger tasks. मैं कह रहा हूँ आपसे कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा. You are not able to do anything in your life. It's very difficult for you to even pick yourself up, right? Now here the whole equation changes, and now you will do the things very differently, and this is what I've learned from Jordan Peterson. It's a very good advice for anyone who is feeling very low, not able to do anything, feeling like shit. This is what you have to do in your day to day. See, most of the things that you do daily are the fundamentals of your life, and that constitute 60% of life. For example, making your bed, right? Making your bed, going out for a walk, right? Making your brushing your teeth, bathing, wearing clothes. You just have to fix the things which you repeat daily in your life. Just fix those things which you repeat daily. It can be anything. It can be as small as making bed. Making bed is very easy. So when you are doing those things which you do on the daily basis, you will see your life from disorder will come to an order. because most of the times it's very difficult to achieve even like the bare minimum. Like the bare minimum is very difficult, and I understand it. It happened with me. I was not even able to stand, right? Not even able to pick myself up. But what I've realized is कि यार fixing your day will work for you. When you fix your day, that is like the 60% of your life, which we do not even calculate. Like it's like simple as drinking a glass of water. So when you fix your day, your 50% of the time has been fixed. Since it is fixed, you have a mental positive, all the oxytocin, serotonin and dopamine, these psychological reward system which give you happiness at a sense of level where you can pick yourself up and where you can see your life happening, something going on in your life. All these serotonin, oxytocin will work for you, and all these chemicals will work in your system. If you really like the video, do give a thumbs up, put in the comment box which advice you like the most, and do subscribe to my channel.